I'm at Great Barrier Island, off the coast of New Zealand, and I'm on a quest to catch and eat only red fish. Now, we've been driving this Velasco around for the past week, and she's a pretty sweet ride. Today we're headed out to see if we can get a couple of snapper for tea. Conditions are about as good as you can get. There's some good looking sign here. Yeah. And we don't have to travel far to find a good spot to try our hand. Anthony's going to see if he can get one on fly, while I'm going to try stray lining. First things first, we need a little burley to get the action underway. So this is the perfect little position to let the burley do the work for you and pop out a stray line and see if we can't pluck one of those lovely red snapper out from the edge of the reef that runs down here. It's a lovely bit of current as well. And the burley's doing its job already. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, this is good fun. Especially when you're in such calm, shallow waters, you know? Beautiful backdrop. Catching bigger fish than your mate. I mean... Oh, what a beautiful red kelpie. Look at the colours on this. That there is a beautiful, fat, good condition. Look at the guts on it. Woohoo! Not to be outdone, Anthony sends out his fly along the burley trail. And right on the surface, a strike.
It's a snapper. The snapper's just taken a big old kingfish fly.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Snapper on the surface. We're in about 15 metres of water. Whoa! Jeepers. Whatever this is, it's on the move. It's a beautiful sized penny, isn't it?
Yeah.
On fly too. Well done, Ants. That's a good looking snapper.
Just showing off now, Clarke. That's bigger than mine.
Yeah. Beautiful. Always worth chucking out an extra bait just in case. It's been quite a productive morning, hasn't it?
It has. We've had a few.